Now second question, this is again an original exam question, sir. Second one, it is an original exam question. What is this question? We will see. If 7 times the 7th term, 7 times the 7th term is equivalent to 11 times the 11th term, method 1, then we will discuss the shortcut approach. 7 times 7th term is a plus 6d. 11 into 11th term is nothing but a plus 10d. Why? Because Tn is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. So these 7a plus 42d, it is nothing but 11a plus 110d, which is nothing but 4a plus 68d is nothing but 0. So 4 into a plus 17d, it is nothing but 0. 17d is nothing but T18. T18 is nothing but 0. So what we did, it is nothing but the formula based question. Directly we substituted the formula and we got the answer. Praveen? And we got the answer. It is a pure formula based question. It is pure a formula based question. But there is a right beautiful conclusion that can be drawn. Let us see that conclusion. 7 times the 7th term is equivalent to 11 times the 11th term. So I just used Tn as a plus n minus 1 into d. Here also it is a plus n minus 1 into d. Please make a note of method number 2. Method number 2. A into Ta is nothing but b into Tb. It is always Ta plus b is 0. Please make a note. 7 times the 7th term equivalent to 11 times the 11th term. T into T7 equivalent to 11 into T11. T7 plus 11. T18 it is 0. 8 times the 8th term equivalent to 12 times the 12th term. And what will be the answer? 8 plus 12. T20 equivalent to 0. 5 times the 5th term equivalent to 9 times the 9th term. What it will be equal? T14 will be equivalent to 0. I hope this idea is clear. A into Ta equivalent to b into Tb. Ta plus b will always be equivalent to 0. Ta plus b, it is always equivalent to 0. Another question and another learning from this question. Now, another question. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply. Again, it is an original CAT question, sir. Original CAT question. Original CAT question. Right? Generally, most of the students will take around 2 minutes to solve this question. I will try to solve the question in less than 20 seconds. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. Sum of first 11 terms in an AP is equivalent to sum of first 19 terms in same AP. Sum of 11 terms T1, T2, T3 till T5, T6, T7 till T11. Next is T12, T13 and so on up to T19. What is that he is asking? Sum of 11 terms in an AP. Sum of first 11 terms in an AP is equivalent to sum of 19 terms it is an AP. There are 19 terms in a series and there are 11 terms sum is equivalent to entire 19 terms. So what does that signify? Last 8 terms sum, it has to be 0. Last 8 terms sum, it will be 0 because sum of first 11 and sum of next 8 is nothing but total sum of 19. I hope you are all there with me. Sum of first 11 plus sum of next 8, it is nothing but total sum of 19. Last 8 terms sum is 0. Last 8 terms sum is 0. What is last 8 terms? We will see. till 11 we did it. Last 8 terms is T12, T13, T14, T15, T16, T17, T18, T19. There are 4 to the left and 4 to the right. What is the middle value? T15.5. It is 0. Why the middle value will be 0? Because the sum it is 0. Middle value is nothing but the average. Average is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Average is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. If the sum is 0, average of the last 8 terms will be 0, which is T15.5 will be 0. Now what is the question that he is asking? Sum of the first 30 terms. What do you mean by 30 terms? 15 terms to the left and 15 terms to the right. 15 to the left, 15 to the right. What is the middle value? 15.5. Middle value is nothing but T15.5. So T15.5 is 0. Sum also will be 0. Very, very beautiful question. What is the root cause of this problem? The last 8 terms average is nothing but the average of the given question series. Last 8 terms, whatever average that you got, that is nothing but the average of the given question series. 11 terms is equivalent to 19 terms. Sum of first 11 is equivalent to sum of total 19. That means the last 8 terms sum is 0. Last 8 terms sum is 0. 4 to the left, 4 to the right. Middle value of last 8 terms will be 0. Which is T15.5 is 0. If 15.5 is 0, if the average is 0, sum will be 0, because average is sum of the quantities by the number of quantities. I hope it is clear. Again I am explaining. Whatever you are getting in the last 8 terms average, that is nothing but the average of the given question. That is nothing but the average of the given question. Very logical way to solve. In fact, if you want another important note, please make a note of it. Another important note, SA equivalent to SB, SA plus B equivalent to 0. If sum of A terms equivalent to sum of B terms, then sum of A plus B will be 0. Sum of 30 terms is equivalent to sum of 40 terms. 30 plus 40, sum of 70 terms will be 0. Sum of 70 terms will be 0. If anybody asks you, can you please tell the proof why it is happening? You can easily say sum of 30 terms is T1 to T30. Sum of 40 terms is 31, 32, 33 till T40. Sum of these first 30 terms is equivalent to sum of the total 40 terms. That means last 10 terms sum is 0. Last 10 terms sum is 0. If last 10 terms sum is 0, average of these last 10 terms will also be 0. Average of the last 10 terms sum will be 0. What is the average? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. What is the middle value? T35.5. If T35.5 is 0, 70 terms means 35 to the left, 35 to the right. Middle value is T35.5. It is also 0. SA equivalent to SB, SA plus B equivalent to 0. SA equivalent to SB, SA plus B equivalent to 0. Similarly, another conclusion also, you can do it every possible model which we will discuss. SA equivalent to B, SB equivalent to A, SA plus B equivalent to minus of A plus B. Please write down. SA equivalent to B, SB equivalent to A. SA plus B is nothing but minus of A plus B. You can solve it by taking some examples and do it. You will be able to draw the conclusion. I hope this model is also clear to you. I hope this model is also clear to you. Another one, please see here, sir. First method 1, then I will discuss method number 2. Method 1 and method 2. Praveen, method 1 and method 2. Okay, coffee. Right, method 1. Method 1 is Sn is nothing but 3n square plus 4n. 3n square. If I put n value 1, this will become S1. S1 means sum of one term, which is nothing but A, which is 3 plus 4, which is nothing but 7. If I put n value 2, sum of two terms is, first term is A, second term will be A plus D, which is 3 into 2 square plus 4 into 2, which is nothing but 20, which is 2A plus D is nothing but 20. These 14 plus D is nothing but 20. D value is nothing but 6. D value is nothing but 6. A value is nothing but 7. D value is nothing but 6. T6 is A plus 5D. So answer is 37. This is nothing but a formula based learning. This is nothing but the formula based approach. Formula based approach. This is how most of the students will do it, and that is how it is taught in almost all the textbooks. Right, n equivalent to 1. Sum of one term, only one term it is there, it becomes A. Sum of two terms, first term A, second term A plus D. I hope the idea is clear. A is 7 and D is 6. T6 is A plus 5D. This is a formula based approach. Now please write down Anil Nair's way of solving. Every question, traditional method and an optimal method. Anil Nair's way of solving. Very, very easy question it is. If the sum of n terms is of the form an square plus bn, d is given by 2 into A. Please make a note. If the series is of the form an square plus bn, d is nothing but 2 into A. Because if I do the first derivative, I will get n. If I do the second derivative, I will get constant. Common difference is definitely constant. Common difference is definitely constant. Sn is 3n square plus 4n. D is nothing but 3 into 2, 6. Anyway, if n value is 1, A value will become 7. So T6 is nothing but 7 plus there are 5 gaps. 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus 7 is 37. Sn is an square plus bn. Answer D is nothing but 2 into A. What is D here? D is nothing but the common difference between the given terms. Sn is an square plus bn. D is 2 into A. How I got this? I got this based on the double differentiation concept. I got it based on the double differentiation concept. Please write down one more question. If Sn is 5n square plus 3n, what is T8 value? Directly you will get D is nothing but 10, A is nothing but 8. T8 is nothing but lowest value plus 7 gaps. So answer for this question is 78. Answer for this question is 78. I hope the idea is clear. Answer is 78. This model, I think it is clear. Another model. Now, this already we solved it. each gap value is nothing but 7. Total gap value is 636 minus 6, 630. That means total 90 gaps are there. If there are 90 gaps are there, there are 91 terms are there. Finish. So n value is 91. Number of terms is always given by n. So answer is 91. You don't need to use any of the formulae if you understand these logic. Right? Basic understanding of AP is nothing but plus, GP is nothing but into. GP is nothing but into. Second question, Sn is given by an square plus bn plus c. Already we discussed D is nothing but 2 into A. Answer for this question is 2 times the coefficient of n square. 2 times the coefficient of n square. I hope the idea is clear. Another, various models in every question, 30, 27, 24, 21. These are nothing but a decreasing series. These are nothing but the decreasing series. If I take decreasing series, I have to do in such a way that the maximum value it is there. Now if you see here 30, 27, 24, 21 and so on. Now if you see here, these are nothing but and so on up to, if I get after 0, this will be 3, 6, 9. That means after 0 the series will be minus 3, minus 6 and everything. If it is minus 3, minus 6, the value will decrease. I want till here. That means these 3 tens are 30, 3 nines are 27, 3 zeros are 0, 0 to 10. Totally how many terms I need to take? 11 terms I need to take. Answer should be a multiple of 11. No. Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. Answer is 165. Or in case if you want to use a formula, it is, you don't need to use it unless and until it is required. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 11 by 2 into 2 into 30 plus 10 into minus 3. 60 minus 30, 30. So 11 into 15, which is 165. Why I took answer should be a multiple of n? Because here Sn is n into some other number. Obviously Sn should be a factor multiple of n. I hope it is clear. So what we did, because the series is a decreasing series, I know that after 0 the value will keep decreasing, minus 3, minus 6 and so on. So I have to do till 0. 3 0, all these numbers are multiples of 3. 3 zeros are 3, 3 tens are 30. 0 to 10 totally I got 11 terms. Answer should be a multiple of 11. Answer should be a multiple of 11. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, it is this question, 3, 4, all are very good questions. All are examination related questions. Please write down. First key points. Interior angle plus exterior angle. Interior angle plus exterior angle, it is always 180 degrees. Interior angle plus exterior angle, it is always 180 degrees. Why it is? If it is theta, that is interior angle, it is exterior angle. Because it's a straight line, total angle is 180. So interior plus exterior, it is nothing but 180. First point, it is clear. Second point, exterior angle is nothing but 180 minus interior angle. Exterior angle is nothing but 180 minus interior angle. Second key point, sum of all exterior angles. This point is extremely important, sir. Sum of all exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles in a convex polygon. In a convex polygon, it is always 360 degrees. Sum of all exterior angles in a convex polygon, it is always 360 degrees. In any way, geometry polygon class, I will prove it, but right now I will prove it by diagrams. If I take a square, 90, 90, 90, exterior 90, 90, 90, 90, again it is 360. If I take an equilateral triangle, 60, 60, 60, exterior 120, exterior 120, exterior 120, 120, 120, 120. What is sum of three angles? It is 360. Very important point. Sum of all exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles in a convex polygon, it is nothing but 360 degrees. Sum of all exterior angles in a convex polygon, it is 360 degrees. Exterior angle is nothing but 180 minus interior angle. Exterior angle is nothing but 180 minus interior angle. Second key point. Once you understand these key points, then problem will be very logical. You can avoid a lot of these things. Suppose if I see 1, 2, 3, 4, the difference is constant, the series is in AP. If I put a minus sign, still the difference is constant, which is minus 1, the series will be in AP. If I add a value 180 minus 1, 180 minus 2, 180 minus 3, 180 minus 4, again the series will be in AP. I hope it is clear. Now why am I doing this? Interior plus exterior, it is nothing but 180. So exterior is nothing but 180 minus interior. That means if the interior angles I1, I2, I3, I1, I2, I3, if they are in AP, minus I1, minus I2, minus I3, they are also in AP. I hope it is clear, right? Above example, minus I1, minus I2, minus I3, they are in AP. 180 minus I1, 180 minus I2, 180 minus I3, they are also in AP. Always remember, if the interior angles are in AP, exterior angles are also in AP. Exterior angles, they are also in AP. If the interior are in AP, exterior will also be in AP. But only thing is, fourth key point, interior, exterior, there is a minus side before interior. If the interior is minimum, exterior will be maximum. If the exterior is maximum, interior will be minimum. Or if the interior is maximum, exterior will be minimum. Interior and exterior are equated with a negative sign. If right hand side is minimum, left hand side will be maximum. If the right hand side is maximum, left hand side will be minimum. Left hand side will be minimum. I hope this idea is clear. Again, important key points. Interior plus exterior angle in a convex polygon is 180 degrees. Point number 1. Point number 2, if the interior angles are in AP, exterior angles are also in AP. Point number 2. Point number 3, if the interior is maximum, exterior is minimum. If the interior is minimum, exterior is maximum. These 4 key points are enough. You don't need any formulae